Hey there, just got done putting together this composter. It really impressed me with the quality of the materials. It's heavy duty. Took a little bit of time to put together because there are a lot of nuts and bolts that you have to use. Let me give you a little closer look and show you how this is built. This is gonna come shipped in a box, and then there are just different components you have to put together. You put together the metal frame first, and then the sides and center section. You can see here, this is, you might not be able to see it with how dark it is in there, but this is divide. There's a center panel in there. This is the lid, easy to push that over, but then you have all these nuts and bolts that you have to put together to install each of these different panels. You will notice it does spin really nicely, works well, plastic material, nice and heavy duty. You've got air ventilation on the sides. You can adjust this depending on how much airflow you want. There's one of these on both sides. Overall, I'm impressed with the build quality and overall value of this unit. As long as you follow the directions, it's pretty simple to put together. You can't hardly mess it up. It just takes a little bit of time. So I'd recommend this if you're looking for a composter. This is a nice quality unit. I think it'll hold up for a long time and it works really well.